guys, Valerie V Show. Glad to be with you on this Wednesday. It's a little late in the afternoon, but I wanted to share with you. Today would be Web Wednesday. So today is not Web Wednesday. Today is Think About It Thursday. So I screwed that up, Royal. And I don't feel like recording this whole video all over again. So today is Think About It Thursday. Sorry, blooper. And we use a lot of pictures on our Facebook posts and in our blog posts and all those things. And I wanted to show you what we use to edit photos. Now, there's a million photo editors out there. There are some great on your phone. There are some great from the desktop. It just depends on where you are when you're editing pictures. But what's really important is that when you do a blog post or when you're doing any kind of advertising on Facebook, that your photo is big enough so that Facebook recognizes it as a full-size image. So we use a program that's really cool to edit our images, and I wanted to share that with you today so that you can have cool images too. There is a free version and a paid version, and I want to say the paid version is super cheap, like $5 or $10. So we're going to go to that. So welcome to PICMONKEY. This is our photo editing software. I'm logged in and we are going to design a picture. So I'm going to design, I'm going to open new, I'm going to go to templates, because if you need to know the size of a Facebook image, the best place to go is to templates, and we're going to go to blank canvas, Facebook. So all the different Facebook photo sizes are here. So if you need your Facebook profile picture, an ad carousel for a post, for an ad, for a business cover photo, for a Facebook cover photo, for a group's cover, I mean, all of them are here. So you might as well use the ones that they offer. So we're going to do a Facebook ad. And I already know what we're going to do for this, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this a different color. So I'm going to put this color on, and we're not going to use black. But I'm going to do some kind of a lightish blue. And let's see, I need a crazy picture of myself. So I'm going to go here. Oh, I'm going to go to overlays, add your own from my computer. And this is just, we've already used this one, but we're just going to use this one for practice. So I'm going to put that over here. And then my text, I'm going to add that. We're going to turn this white. Make it a little bigger. Okay, since we've used this picture before, let's use a new picture. So we're going to go to overlays, add your own, my computer. We're going to add this goofy picture. Okay, now we're going to export, and I just give it a title and export to computer. Okay, so when I get this video all edited and done, you will see that this is the cover photo for not only our YouTube channel for this video, but also this will appear on Facebook. So thanks everybody, this is Web Wednesday. Ooh, let me come back to the camera. And by the way, yay! We have a new studio set up. So I'm gonna add a picture of that too. I have a stand-up desk now, which makes me have more energy. Woo! Stand-up desk. Probably need to adjust the lighting a little bit, but this is gonna be really great. And I have one of those wobbly stools that makes me work on my core, as I said here. And boy, does my core need a lot of work. Have a great Wednesday. Have a great Thursday, and we'll talk to y'all tomorrow.